fiduciary contract. All financial contracts, whether you know it or not, whether it is written there or not, it is fiduciary contract. What does it mean? It has three implied things. The contracting persons have equal status. That means the lender and the borrower, let us say. Lender is not superior to borrower. One is not a beggar, the other is not the donor. They are of equal status. Second, it is done in utmost good faith. That means the borrower borrows with utmost good faith that he would be able to return. So is the lender. He feels that the person to whom I am lending has the capacity to do the business and return it back. That is done in utmost good faith. The third is without negligence. While doing so, both parties should not be negligent. See, for example, when I give equal status to you, I should ensure that you are trustworthy. If I fail in my duty to verify whether you are trustworthy, then I will be squandering public money. Therefore, without negligence, how do I do it? Just to verify the customer's norms, customer's ID norms. What are the ID norms? Verify the Aadhaar card or any other ID so that he is certified to be a respectable citizen.